Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make nobody can see your phone number on your accounts on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on these three lines, now click settings, and now click privacy and security, and now click phone number. Here you'll find nobody, click on it and click here, and this will be saved. And that's it for today. That's how to make nobody can see your phone number, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.